Welcome to my first official YouTube form video. We're just gonna get straight into it today. I've had a lot of requests of doing a long form scalp massage routine, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Scalp massages are essential for hair growth. We're gonna do a 10-minute scalp massage routine. All you need to do is follow this once a day, every single day, or a few times a week to support healthy hair growth and to improve blood circulation. When you improve blood circulation, it helps support faster hair growth. Once we're done doing this, you're gonna feel super good. If you wanna see results, you need to put that work in. The first thing we wanna do is support lymphatic drainage. I have a little rash here. I'm on a candida and parasite cleanse. I'm on week 4, so you know, it's going away, but that's just the process, so don't mind the rash. First, we want to support lymphatic drainage. So right above the collarbone where this little pit is, we're gonna do 10 circles, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? Just to show you right here, underneath the ear for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And right here near the pit where the little squishy part, okay, we're gonna do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The one thing we want to make sure when we're doing scalp massages is that we have our chin up, our back straight, and we are up. We want to support the fluid, we want to support the blood flow. I love to start at the base of the neck. I want you to keep your fingertips in place, and I'm going to show you up close. We're going to be moving the scalp like this. We're not doing this, okay? We're only moving the scalp just like that. And be sure that you're taking deep breaths. Okay, I understand sometimes when my arms are up high that long, I forget. So where the squishy part is here, okay, on both sides for 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I want you to shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. If you feel any places that have more tension, I want you to pause this video. Feel free to pause it and really just do some work in and take some deep breaths and focus on releasing tension. In the middle of the back of the scalp, okay? Fingertips on the scalp for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then shake it up. Remember, fingertips are in place. And don't forget to take a deep breath. Right behind the ear for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it up. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and shake it up. Don't forget to breathe and neck high, chin up. That was a little tense for me. I don't know about you, but it was just a little tense right behind the ears. Now we're gonna do the top back of the scalp right here at the top. Fingers in place and do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, breathe, 8, 9, 10. Shake it up. Shake it up. It may feel extra tense if you're used to hairstyles, so let's stay here a little longer. So keep shaking it up. Remember, you can pause and do a little more deep work if you need to. We're gonna do the top right here for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And shake it up. I want you to have your head obviously upward. I was just doing that for demonstration. It's hard to do a scalp massage demonstration. I know you guys asked me to do angles where I'm showing you exactly where I'm massaging my scalp so you know what to do. Now we're gonna work here on the sides of the scalp. We use our palms, okay? I know your fingers can get a little tired doing these, so let's give those a break and use your palms. And it's like we're kind of squeezing our head together, but not too crazy, but just, and moving it back like this. Only the scalp, okay? Like that. So let's get it going for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one's gonna be longer. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, keep going. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and shake it up. Remember, we're just moving the scalp, so shake it up. This one feels good. Don't feel bad to put, don't be afraid to put a little more, don't be afraid to put a little bit more pressure on this one. Whew. That one was a lot of work. I don't know about you, but my shoulders are on fire. We are almost done, okay? We're almost done. I want you to try to move your hairline. Look at how hard it is. If it's so hard you can't even do that, we need to release the hairline, okay? If it's super tight, it can reduce the blood flow, which slows a lot of circulation down. So what I like to do is I just 2 fingers, okay, starting here at the side, whatever side you want, just circles like that on the hairline. And if it's tense, just focus on releasing that hairline, the muscles here. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now moving on to the temple, so about 2 fingers down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 fingers down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we want to do here in front of the ear too, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The top here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 fingers over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 fingers down at the temple for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 fingers down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Front of the ear for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're just about done. I'm proud of you. How does it feel? Okay, I want you to just move your hands through the scalp like this. Breathe. Just enjoy the relaxation, the release that you just did. Put your hands around your hairline and I want you to shake it up like this. It may look a little silly, it may feel weird until you get it right, but we just want to release the tension. Okay, and then hands through and shake the scalp. Again. Hands through and shake the scalp. We're going to do that one more time. Hands on the hairline. Shake it up. And shake the scalp. Chin up. All right. The last thing that we're going to do is go back to where we started, but in reverse. So at the pit here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Under the ears for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to the collarbone here above for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do some taps on the chest. And you can work on the neck and then just tap on the scalp. Deep breath. And you are done. That was a much more in-depth scalp tutorial. If you want a shorter version, let me know. But all you need to do is repeat this every day and you will see results. You will feel less stressed. We hold so much tension. There are so many muscles here. So releasing the tension, supporting blood circulation helps so much, not only with your body, like your stress and fluid drainage, it helps with hair growth. Thank you so much for watching my first official long form YouTube video. If you want more of these, please let me know in the comments. If you want, I want to do a routine with a scalp massager, so let me know in the comments if you want that. How cute is this? Yeah, let me know. We'll do a 10-minute one for you. I know that there are a lot of people with disabilities or, mobility restrictions, and these are so amazing. I love these tools. Sometimes my hands hurt and I use this instead. So let me know if you want a routine on that and I will definitely do that for you. If you want to see any more content from me, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I promise you I will be posting more on here. And yeah, I hope you loved that routine. I do have a TikTok that I'm active on, but I promise I'm going to be more active on here. But if you want to follow me, it is the same and it's right here. But I hope you love my routine and please stay consistent. Check in daily. Thank you for watching.